Hello everyone. Our topic for today, number. That is singular and plural. Singular means one person, place, animal or thing. And if it is two and more persons, two and more places, two and more animals or two or more things, we call them in the plural form. So a singular noun refers to just one, and two and above, two and more, we call them as plural. So very easy. Boy, one boy, two boys, three boys, many boys. Similarly, girls, a girl, girls, some girls. Okay, then we can also have cap. I wore a red cap. They were all wearing red caps. So this is it, singular and plural. And one thing that you need to remember is that singular nouns are only for countable nouns. And countable nouns are those nouns to which we can give numbers. We can count them 1, 2, 3, 100, lakh, 2 lakh, million. These ways we can count them. But where we cannot give any number to a particular thing or to any particular object, they come under the category of uncountable nouns. For example, all liquids. We don't say, please give me 1 water, please give me 2 water. What do we say? Please give me a glass of water or a bottle of water, 3 bottles of water, a bucket of water, 2 tankers of water. Similarly, for sugar, we don't say, please add 2 sugar in my tea. No. What do we say? Either a teaspoon of sugar or a tablespoon of sugar, a jar of sugar, a packet of sugar. Same way for salt. We do not say 1 salt, 2 salt. Okay? So those are the uncountable nouns. And even the abstract nouns that we just saw in the previous video, they also, we do not count them as singular or plural. And there are certain words which are always used in the singular. There are certain words which are always used in the plural form. Which are those? We shall be seeing it gradually. Now, it is very easy to form the plural of any singular noun if we have the singular given, or if we have the plural form of any noun given, then also we can find the singular. There are certain rules to be followed while making the plural of any nouns. One by one, let us see what these rules are. The most common way to form the plural of a noun is simply by adding the word s, like you've already seen. Boy, boys, cap, caps, and you can see some examples also on your slide. Minute, minutes, aeroplane, aeroplanes, tree, trees. So these are the simple ones just by adding s to the singular form. The next rule, nouns that end in s or double s, ss, or sh, or ch, or x. Singular nouns that end with all these endings form their plural by just adding es to the singular form. So, gas becomes as gases. Easy. Again add es. So, glass will become glasses. Brush will become brushes. Watch will become watches. And fox will become foxes. Very easy. So, what have we done? Everywhere we have added es to the singular form. And there are some examples also given which you can see in the slide in front of you. The next rule, nouns ending in o. Mango ending in o, hero ending in O, and potato ending in O. Just like for the previous rule when we just added es to the singular form and we had the plural in front of it. So similarly, mango, just add es in front of it and you get the plural of mango, that is mangoes. Hero becomes heroes and potato becomes potatoes. Now, sometimes some people pronounce this as potato or potato. It is not that. The correct pronunciation is potato. What is it? Potato and potatoes. Potatoes. So potato and potatoes. Again, just add it to your pronunciation dictionary. And few examples more in front of you where you can see that when the singular noun ends in O, just add es to form their plural. The next rule, nouns that end in F or FE. What do we do with them? For example, calf. It becomes calves. We drop the F. The F is left out and calves, calves. Okay, the baby of a cow is called a calf. There are other animals also whose babies are called calf, but for now, calf, and then just add VES. F is dropped, or we do not write the F. Again, leaf, drop the F and add VES. So you have leaves. Nouns ending in FE, like knife. Again, drop the FE and write VES. KNIVES, knives. K, silent. Knife and knives. Similarly for life, drop FE and instead of that, write lives. So this is the rule. If the noun ends in F or FE, we add VES after dropping the F or the FE. A few exceptions that we can look into. For example, the word thief. As per the rule that we have just seen, the nouns that end in F or FE form their plural by adding VES. Now, this is ending with EF. But when we make the plural of thief will be thieves. THIEVES. So we are adding VES. We have just dropped F. Similarly, we can see chef. Chef also ending in EF. But we will not add VES this time. English grammar always has some exceptions here and there. The same rule cannot be applied to each and everything. And as you keep on reading more and more, exploring more and more, you will come to know the differences. You will come to know about the exceptions also there and there. So, chef will become as chefs. Okay? So, we just add S to it. We are not dropping any letter. Hoof. Again, F. You know, hoof, the hard part that some animals have below their legs, like the horse, because of which the noise comes when a horse gallops. Cows also have, okay, buffaloes also have the hoof, so that hard blackish part that is there, that is called hoof. Hoof now, you can write it as hoofs or hooves also will do. Both are correct. Hoofs is generally and commonly used. So we are going to look into around 8 to 9 rules totally in the number section that we are covering, that is the singular and plural. Today we will be covering these basic 4 ones and the rest we shall do it in the next video. So what we have just gone through today, these 4 rules, we have some activity for you. So time to take out your notepads, your pens and start jotting down your answers. So be ready. Okay, so your first exercise is you have 6 sentences given, and in all the sentences what you have to do number wise, pick out the noun that you see over there and write in front of it whether it is a singular noun or whether it is a plural noun. So very easy, as you've seen these answers over here. They're all very easy. You must have done most of them correct. So let's move on to the next exercise that we have for today. The next exercise, you have 2 options given for each sentence in the bracket. So this is like fill in the blanks using the correct option that is given in the brackets. So read the sentence, you'll get a hint over there. The hint word is somewhere over there, which will help you to find the correct answer. Whether you should go in for the singular noun or should I take the plural noun? Read it. The sentence properly to find out that word which will tell you. Answer time. The baker baked many dash. The word that will help you to choose your correct answer was many. And many means more than one. So, the baker baked many cakes today. The next one, the police arrested the dash. And in the bracket you have thief and you have thieves. Now, the doesn't tell you whether it is one or it is two. So, where do we find out from? Look at the options, thief or thieves. What is the plural of thief? It is thieves. Thieves. So, that means the option given, thieves, thief is S with the S, sorry. Thiefs is wrong. So the correct answer is thief. Mother bought 2 kilograms of potatoes or the next potatoes. Again, the second option that is given, that is the incorrect plural. Because the plural of potato is potatoes ending with ES. The dash are red in color. Leaves, FES, there is no word such as LEAFES. So your correct word is leaves, LEAVES. Because to look at, it is given the dash are red in color. So the word are over there definitely tells you it is more than one. So maybe you might get confused. Leaves also is correct, sounds correct. LEAFES in case you've forgotten. But there is no word such as FES ending for leaves. So leaves that is given is incorrect and the correct is leaves. I cannot find 2 of my dash. 2. But naturally it's going to be the plural form. So pencils. The herd of dash was grazing in the field. Grazing means that action of eating grass that is there. You know, when these animals eat grass, we call it as grazing. Grazing. Okay. So the herd of, either it can be buffaloes or buffaloes. To sound, they both sound the same. OS also sounds the same. OES also sounds the same. But there is no word such as OS. So it has to be OES. Buffaloes. BUFFALOES. The herd of buffaloes was grazing in the field. So, these were your 2 activity exercises that we did. And that's all we are going to cover up in part 1 today of the number, singular and plural. The rest of the rules we will be covering up in part 2. Now, for today, if I say let us recapitulate, it's your part. Just go through the slides again. Just go through the 4 rules that we have touched upon today. So that's all for your singular and plural today. Until we meet again in my next video, it's goodbye and take care.